హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు షార్ట్ అండ్ హబ్ ఛానల్. నేను మీ హరినాగనంద్, షార్ట్ అండ్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్. మనము ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియో ద్వారా 120 వర్డ్స్ పర్ మినిట్ క్రిమినల్ జడ్జిమెంట్ అనేది చెప్పుకోబోతూ ఉన్నాము. ఇదే జడ్జిమెంట్ని 80-100 వర్డ్స్లో కూడా చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఆ లింక్స్ మీకు కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో అందిస్తాను. సో అక్కడి నుంచి మీరు వాటిని రాయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. అలాగే మనము జనరల్ అండ్ లీగల్ డిక్టేషన్స్ అనేది అందిస్తూ ఉంటాము. అన్ని లింక్స్ కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంటాయి. ఈ ప్యాసేజ్ లింక్ కూడా కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఉంటుంది. మీ మిత్రులు ఎవరైనా సరే ఈ కోర్సు మొదటి నుంచి కనుక నేర్చుకోదలిచినట్లయితే మన వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ నెంబర్ అయినటువంటి 9704455502కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ మెసేజ్ చేసినట్లయితే పూర్తి డీటెయిల్స్ పొందేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంది. మనము ఈ పేపర్ ఆర్టికల్స్ నుంచి కూడా ఇవన్నీ కూడా తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. సో మీరు ఎటువంటి కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్కి అయినా సరే ఈ ప్యాసేజెస్ ఉపయోగపడతాయి. Get ready for the dictation. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Start. Questioning the judgment of acquittal dated 29/12/2016 passed by the learned 6th additional sessions judge Anantapur in SC 514 of 2013, the de facto complainant / PW1 filed the present criminal appeal. Respondent numbers 2 to 5, that is A2 to A4 and A6, were tried along with A1 by the learned 6th additional sessions judge under different charges. Substance of the charges is that on 31/12/2012 at about 5:30 pm, A1 to A6, having conspired, went to the herrick yard of the deceased and beat him with wooden plough, iron rod and pipe. In the said process, they caused the death of the deceased, thereby committed offences punishable under sections 120B, 302, 324 and with 34 IPC. The case of the prosecution in brief is as follows. A1 to A3 are the young brothers of the deceased. They were having an extent of 8 acres of agriculture land situated near tollgate beside highway. In the year 1985, A1 to A3 and the deceased partitioned their land and each one got acres 2 of agriculture land. As there was no rasta to reach their land, they purchased an extent of 0.90 cents of land for rasta. A1 in secret got the said land registered in his name with the help of A2 and A3, and since then there were ill feelings between the deceased and his brothers A1 to A3. About 1 month prior to the date of incident, A1 started construction in that place to run a tea stall, for which the deceased and his son PW1 took an objection, claiming share in the said 0.90 cents of land. A1 threatened them with dire consequences. Later, the deceased and PW1 approached the civil court, for which A1 to A3 bore grudge against the deceased. On 31/12/2012 at about 5:30 pm, the deceased along with his son PW1 and other family members went to the herrick yard for supply of fodder to their animals. At that juncture, A1 to A6 came there, and A1 beat the deceased with a wooden plough on the forehead of the deceased and caused bleeding injury. A2 beat the deceased with an iron pipe on his head, and A3 beat the deceased with a pipe on his stomach. As PWs 1 and 2 and others intervened and went to their rescue, A1 to A6 pelted stones on them and caused bleeding injuries. On hearing the galata, PW3 and others came to that place, and on seeing them, the accused ran away. Thereafter, the deceased was taken to government hospital in a tractor, and on the way, he succumbed to the injuries. Thereafter, PW1 went to the police station and gave a report. PW10, the sub-inspector of police, received Exhibit P1 report from PW1 at about 7:50 pm and registered a case in crime number 115 of 2012 under sections 120 class B, read with 34 IPC, 324 and 302 IPC, and issued copies of FIRs to all the concerned. FIR is marked as Exhibit P8. Having received the information, PW11 Inspector of Police went to the police station, perused the FIR, and went to the government hospital where he found the dead body of the deceased in a mortuary room. As it was late in the night, he did not conduct inquest immediately, and the same day he visited the scene of offence and posted a guard. On 1/1/2013, PW11 visited the government hospital at about 7:30 am and held inquest over the dead body of the deceased in the presence of mediators. Inquest report is marked as Exhibit P2. He recorded statements of PWs 1 to 3 and others, and thereafter he sent the dead body for post-mortem examination. PW9 Civil Assistant Surgeon, Primary Health Center, conducted autopsy for the dead body of the deceased. He opined the cause of death was due to intracranial hemorrhage, probably due to hit on the head by a heavy metallic rod. He issued PM certificate under Exhibit P7. On 1/1/2013, PW11 visited the scene of offence and recorded the statement of PW5 and seized stones, wooden plough, 2 iron rods, blood-stained earth and control earth, which were marked as MOS 1 to 6 under Panchanama, Exhibit P3. He also prepared a rough sketch, Exhibit P9, at the scene of offence. On 5/1/2013, he arrested A1 to A6 at the outskirts of the village near bus stop in the presence of mediators PW 6 and 7. After receipt of the PM report and RFSL report and after completion of the investigation, PW11 filed charge sheet. స్టాప్. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని డిక్టేషన్స్ కోసం మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మనం జనరల్ అండ్ లీగల్ రెండు కూడా అందిస్తున్నాము. మన ఛానల్కి సంబంధించిన టెలిగ్రామ్ గ్రూప్ లింక్ కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇస్తాను. అక్కడి నుంచి మీరు జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. పూర్తి అప్డేట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా పూర్తి ఉచితంగా పొందేటువంటి అవకాశం ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.